Widgetable sleep tracker. So here's Widgetable app, and adding a lot of different new widgets. It's the one is called Friend Sleep, where you can add your friends here. You can share invite code. You can, for example, add as a friend here. For example, you can find these people and then select a friend from here. You can only add a friend who also adds you for this sleep widget. Both of you should select each other to add widget to the screen. Then you select theme, you select your sleep goal, when to sleep, and then you add in your data source. Like you need to add Apple Health, to Widgetable app. So then you just add in this, and then save it. And then the idea is that you will be able to see like how much sleep your friend gets. So like how often your friend goes to sleep, and how much sleep she or he gets, and you just basically sharing your sleep data with your partner or with your friend. And then you just add in the widget, and then you just tap in and hold in, and then just tap plus, and then you can just add Widgetable from here just like that. So yep, that's what it is. That's how you add Widgetable from here. So, and then you can see like friend sleep, your sleep was excellent, your friend's sleep was poor. So that's the idea here. Then you also can add friends bubble, pooping times, like all of the different widgets. So Widgetable is adding all of these new features. So pretty cool. But it also enables for you that you install this kind of sleep mode in Apple Health app. It's to do that you need to go to Apple Health app, and then you need to enable kind of like a sleep mode. You need to go to your sleep, and then basically enable sleep schedule. So you just get and set it up here. So, and then it will work perfectly in Widgetable. If you don't do that, it's just not gonna work, because Widgetable basically takes all the data from Health app. So there you have it.